A boat in a windy night, rocked and swayed with all its might. The waves crashed and the winds did roar, as it tried to reach the distant shore. The sailors held on with all their might, as the storm raged on through the night. They knew they had to keep their cool, and follow their captain's every rule. The boat creaked and the mast did moan, as it was tossed and turned alone. But the sailors held on with grit and grace, and sailed on through the stormy place. As dawn broke and the winds did die, the boat sailed on towards the morning sky. The sailors let out a sigh of relief, as they sailed on towards their belief, that even in the darkest of nights, there is always hope that shines bright. And with courage and a steady hand, we can weather any storm and land.